Well, I only lost 2 ounces this week, and I'm okay with it. This seemingly non-movement in the scale may have a perfectly valid explanation, and it might actually be a good thing. Wait. A good thing? How can that be? As I mentioned, I started lifting weights again this week after not lifting for a couple months. This led to my muscles being really sore.
I mean really sore. I'm not sure I can lower myself onto the toilet or get up from it once I do kind of sore.
Look, this isn't the first time that I've noticed a definite link between starting up lifting weights again and the scale not moving or moving in the wrong direction for a couple weeks at a time, to the point where I have questioned whether I should just stop and focus on cardio.
Please don't do that.
So this week I decided to turn to science for some answers.
Get ready for some nerdy science.
I'll start off by saying, for full disclosure, I am not a fitness expert,
Obviously.
a nutritionist, or a health professional. I'm just a guy trying to find the answers like everyone else. What most fitness experts know, and most of us lay people do not, is that any new exercise program can cause a temporary disruption in the scale. The key word being temporary.
So what causes this?
We've all experienced this before. The day after you work out, you're a little sore. Day number 2, you want to cry every time you move. Lasts for a couple days and then goes away. And the soreness is where we find our answer. It's our body's defense mechanism for tissue that we target during exercise, caused by small tears in the muscle fiber or tissue breakdown. And it's not a bad thing, it's a good thing. It's how we strengthen our body in order to burn more calories. When we are sore, our muscles are inflamed and slightly swollen due to fluid retention in those parts of our body. This is absolutely temporary, but it can add 4 to 5 pounds to the scale for the first couple weeks of any new exercise program. In fact, you don't even have to be sore to be impacted by this. This is where most people can get discouraged by not seeing results on the scale and can give up.
Don't give up.
Push through the first couple weeks and you will start seeing results. Usually they are very good results. If after 2 weeks you're still not seeing results, it may be time to reevaluate your diet and or how many calories are being consumed. So the fact that I only lost 2 ounces on the scale may be a really good thing, as my muscles are retaining fluid and the number didn't go up. Only time will tell.